Today's reflection on the Eucharist is entitled, Eucharist-Inspired Love Allows Us to Live Out Our Christian Vocation. Pope John Paul II writes that our ability to go and do likewise in imitation of Jesus' washing of the disciples' feet is, quote, criterion by which the authenticity of our Eucharistic celebrations is judged. Eucharistic worship, he says, is the expression of the love that springs up within us from the Eucharist. That love which is the authentic and deepest characteristic of the Christian vocation. We all have a vocation. Vocations are not just to the priesthood or to the sisterhood. Each one of us in the world has a vocation, a calling, whether it's to be a spouse, a parent, sibling, friend, worker, parishioner. There are as many vocations as there are people in the world. Also, we know that our vocation changes over time. We're teenagers, we're college students, we fall in love, many get married, many others remain single, we choose different jobs to do, we retire, we have grandchildren, we have great-grandchildren, and our calling, our vocation changes as our lives change. The Eucharist enables us to identify our vocation as it evolves throughout our lives. The Eucharist empowers us to accept our calling. And the Eucharist helps us to live out our calling, no matter what it may be, no matter at what time in our life we may be.